Hello everyone, how are you all doing? First of all, I'd like to welcome you all to my channel Happiness and Motherhood. My today's video is about this busy board which I have made for Ruhan to play with, to learn with. It's a play and learn board for him. This board is all handmade. Everything that I have found in my house, I have used all of those pieces to make this board. This board is all made of this online ordering boxes that we get. You can see it says Amazon Prime on the board. This busy board that I have made for my son, and he's absolutely loving this board and enjoying this board, playing with it every single day. And I'm so happy that I worked on this board and I spent some time and I made this board for him. In this video, I'd like to explain you all the activities that I have included in this board for him. So let's not delay and walk you through the board. The first activity on the board is learning numbers with quantity and AB pattern at the same time. AB pattern is something that includes two categories. In this case, they are colors. There are two different colors in one string. So this is how he's gonna learn white, pink, white, pink, white, pink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Count 1, 2, 9, 10. So that's how he's gonna do 10 and then 9, 8, 7. So second one is counting backwards. Then one more way of playing with this is placing all of them in the middle, and slowly what he'll do is, for example, let's take number 7. So what I'll ask him to do is 7 on this side and 3 on this side. So he'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on one side, and 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 on this side.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes. What number?
3. 1, 2, 3.
Good.
2. 1,
1.
1.
And
0.
0 means?
Nothing.
Number 2 activity on this board, as you can see, is all about planets. So for this I have used Velcro on both the sides. My kids have helped me coloring this, and I have cut them out and with in the shapes of planet. Second activity is placing the right planet at the right spot. Are you done, Rohan?
Yeah.
All right, let's see. Mercury, Venus, Earth. What is this, Rohan?
Mars.
Mars. What is this?
Jupiter.
This one.
Saturn.
This one.
Uranus.
And this one.
Neptune.
Let's move on to the third board. First activity is open and close. You can open and you can close. This cap, I just cut this out from milk gallon bottle, plastic bottle, and this is again some random juice bottle cap. I found a very old calculator in my house. I have used hot glue gun again to stick this calculator on this board. He loves to touch these numbers, feel these numbers on the calculator, and also press them and just have fun with this calculator. And next one is here is up and down. It says up here and down here, so he can just do down, up, zip, zipping up, zipping down. And this buttoning activity, these two pieces came out from my son's old school uniform. And here these are beads I had in my art and craft box. I have used Ruhan's name, first name and last name for practicing his first name spelling and last name spelling. There is one more activity board for texture, colors, and with the help of hot glue gun I have stick these feathers on the board. It's kind of a fun sensory activity for him. This Velcro, this is one of his favorite. He loves to take this in and out on the board. I have used the colors of rainbow beads in this string. First I stick the string with the hot glue and then I have taped it so it's very much nicely secured. It does not come out at all. So moving on to the last one, this is very interesting. What happened was this sticker was already present on the board and it was not coming out very nicely and neatly. So I thought of this camouflage activity for Ruhan, like let's hide heavy with the same color.
Sticky. Hi, Rebecca. Sticky and noisy.
I hope you got some ideas to make something like this for your toddler. Please share and subscribe to my channel for more educational and fun videos for your kids. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video.